Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sylvia and my channel is all about art and craft. Now, this time around I'm going to do something completely different, and what we're actually going to be working on is, first of all, I've got to take everything off this desk because we're going to transform this desk into something that looks brand spanking new. This video is going to be in several parts and it'll be over weeks, maybe even a month, depending on finances, because I'm actually going to add things to this desk at a later stage which will help me organize myself a little bit better when I sit at my desk. So let's get into it. Let's go and strip it all off, everything that's on there, and I'll probably move it over to the other desk on the other side. Hopefully it'll all fit on there. Well, time will tell. So that way I might actually still be able to do videos while I'm not able to do any more. But yeah, let's see how it goes. As you can see, I've managed to take at least the top part of the desk off. I was hoping that the other bits would come off as well, but they don't. But that's okay, we can work around that. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to finish this video off now, and in the next part we're going to prepare all of these pieces ready for a new coat of paint. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you're looking forward to the next part, and be sure to give us a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel and you want to see more of my videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you get notified of new videos. Until the next time, hope you have an awesome week and be creative, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.